So what I'm going to show you first is how you can test a speaker. If you got a speaker that you believe is blown, what you can do is take your multimeter and put it on the continuity setting to where whenever it gets continuity you get a signal like this, and touch the terminals of your speaker together. Now if the speaker is good, you'll have continuity. If the speaker is bad, you will not. As you can see, we have no continuity, which means there's a break in the copper, which means this speaker is trash. So what we're going to do first is take a blade and we're going to cut around the edge of the surround, and well, first we're going to cut off the dust cover. Once you got that cut away, you see how you can start to separate it. So we'll go down here around the voice coil. So now we're pulling away that cone and all that's junk. We're not saving any of it. Now you can see the spider down here, and it looks like this has been reconed in the past. Now what we want to do is remove the spider and the blown voice coil. See, this is a unique design of these neodymium drivers that JBL made. And these, they actually had this plastic plug, and the wires came up through the center of the magnet. And oh yeah, see, scorched. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we've got to remove all the junk and the glue that was holding the old basket in. And the easiest way that I've found to get it done is just to take a razor blade and to start scraping it. This is our JBL 2268H that was in need of recone. First, I guess I'll show you what you'll need. A soldering iron, wire cutters, a paintbrush, some tweezers, and of course, solder. So here is what is shipped as the recone. Other things that come with the kit: a center dust cap, a glue, and these are the foam edges. They goes around the perimeter of the speaker. This is a shim, is what it is. It's a spacer, and what this does is go between the inside of the magnet gap and the voice coil, while the whole thing cures as you glue it in. So what I'm going to do first is just a real simple dry fit. Just plop her down in there. You just want to make sure there's no defects with that happen in production, that once you get this thing in, or once you get past the point of no backing up, you don't want it to come back and end up being a hassle. You always want to make sure those are lined up so that you don't have to punch holes in the cone to screw the thing back into the box. So, in my professional opinion, she's ready to begin her new life. Okay, so next what we're going to do, we're going to take our, remember the paintbrush, most important part. We'll take that, and we're going to take our glue. You just start squeezing, and you go all the way around this guy. There's that, and I'm going to go ahead and run a bit of glue where the spider lays. And we're going to take our paintbrush, and we're going to make sure that we cover every part of the surface, the mating surface with glue. Okay. Remember, this is going to be the last time that you do this, so make sure you line it up. Find your screw holes. And there. And make sure you go all the way around that magnet. Paintbrush. Use the butt end of it. Don't forget about your spider down here. Make sure you put pressure all the way around that lip. This glue sets pretty quick. It's real tacky, real fast, but it takes it. I like to let them set for 2 full days, 48 hours. Or just make sure if it needs to be stuck, it's stuck. I run 1 bead on the top. On these, you got the notch, same as the notch on the cone. That mates up to your holes. Okay, that's it, Chad. We'll be back in a little bit.